Sports Corner PH, People's Journal Tonight at PTV Sports Network team ko po. Shoutout din sa Davao Sports Writers Association at sa Cordillera Sports Media. Eric, itong Sea Open Water Swimming Championships is a good avenue and opportunity for our young swimmers kasi nakausap ko sa Zoom interview yung isa sa mga members ng ating team. Sabihin natin medyo challenging at mahirap yung training nila, lalo na dadaanan nila yung mga jellyfish, sharks, or mga seaweeds, ika nga. So, ano ba ang observations ninyo sa ating team na rin na pagdating nga doon sa training, are they have in eye spirits, eye morals nga to get the podium?
I think they are. They are very, very happy. They're very excited for this event. Nabanggit mo yung mga seaweed, yung mga jellyfish. Actually, part yan ng preparation. In fact, to the point yan, Gab, water quality is also done. So we need to submit to Southeast Asia Federation a 30-day water quality test, a 7-day water quality test, and during the competition, a daily water quality test. So these are part of the regulations. And in that quality, meron ring part doon. May checklist, meron bang jellyfish, nakalagay na may mga ganun siya. So lahat yun ay sinasabit para alam ng mga countries na what to expect. But during June, during the, we call it the test run na ginawa natin, yung trials, may mga parang yung nalagay namin na depth kung na starting area, medyo mababaw pa. So when they swam, they were being able to touch yung parang seaweeds na nakaano. So we're now pushing it a few meters farther out. And then for this event, we will be renting a pontoon. Pontoon na po, from the beach, lalakad na yung mga bata to the starting point, mga 70 to 100 meters away, para medyo mas malalim-lalim ng kaunti, para maiwas natin yung mga seaweed na nadaanan. So all of that is being taken into consideration. Tsaka yung corals, nabagit ka ni Edie, may mga areas na talaga ganun pala sa Boracay, no? Pre-identified talaga yung mga tawagin nating sanctuaries kung saan sila nagtanim ng mga corals. So hindi mo pwedeng langoyan on top talaga. So we have a section identified na DENR at saka ng local government na dito lang kayo pwede lumoy at this direction kasi ito nature reserve ka nga, hindi pwedeng langoyan.
So hindi lang pala sa seaweed, sa jellyfish na natin binabantayan, kundi rin yung kalidad ng tubig na rin. Kasi minsan may mga along, mga dumi, mga sabihin natin hindi, mga basura na naiipon doon sa dagat. Pero I assure niya na of course, this is actually safe, hopefully, at pasado naman yan doon sa mga standards na quality. Yes, sir.
We are compliant with the DNR standards.
Okay, nakikita mo ba yung hosting na rin na ang Southeast Asia Open Water Swimming Championships has a good turnout at mapush natin ang Boracay as one of the premier destinations for open water swimming?
Ang feeling namin talaga when we decided to present to the Southeast Asia Aquatics Federation, we decided to present the most iconic beach na kilala sa Pilipinas, which is Boracay, no? So yun ang unang pumasok sa isip namin na dito tayo bibitaw. Although we have many others na pwede natin i-promote, but we felt na when you say Boracay, synonymous Philippines yan. So yun kaya kami nung sinama namin sa bid, gusto namin gawin sa Boracay dahil na medyo iconic talaga for our country. Synonymous, pag sinabi mo, oh, Philippines, ano na naintindihan nila. And it created excitement to the members that they will be able to swim here. Secondly, hindi namin magawa doon sa White Beach because of the date nga and the tides, but Also, ang dami talagang tao, tourists sa Boracay. So, we will be definitely disrupting the situation there. Kaya dito natin nilagay ko sa likod para medyo maganda talaga yung conditions.
Last question kong Eric, but this is still pie related. The next competition nga, aside nga doon sa open water swimming, is the Asian Age Group Championship, and we have a good number of swimmers sa artistic, sa diving, and of course the swimming type na papadala. So, what are the chances nga pala ng ating team na para dito sa ating competition, which is happening this week? Thank you po.
Sa Asian Age Group, we are bringing a very strong team. We have 20 swimmers, 3 divers, and 5 artistic swimmers. So mga 28 tayo na athletes. This is at Asia level. We feel na a medal in the Asia level will be parang predictor to na we will be producing SEA Games medalists in the future. So, medyo tough itong ating Philippine team, and they're ready. Nakatikim na to sa when we hosted it last 2024 in New Clark City. So alam nila yung what to expect. They saw it already, they had the experience. We brought home a medal courtesy of si James Ray Ahido in that event. So he will be part of this delegation also for the 12th edition naman of the Asian Age Group. So,
Pati yata si Rihanna Coleman also.
and also Rihanna Coleman. Sila Kayla Bulaga will be part of the team. Sofia Gara. So medyo mga prominent names na nababasa na natin na dahil sa inyo, sumisikat na ito mga kabataan natin.
Salary clarification lang. Ito